What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is that how to fix PS4 CE-35489-9. It's an invalid region, and here we go. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen, and you just go to settings. Here we are, go to the settings and account information, account management, and account information. And here you go to the address. There's the address. You must check here the region. Your region is the UK, and which application or a feature you want to use it. You must check which region it worked, and you must have a same region and same features, and after that you can use it. If you don't have the same region, then you create a new PSN account and set a new region, and then you can enjoy your feature or a game application. So that's how simply you can fix this up. And if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.